Hello, so here we're going to briefly review the assignment of the absolute configuration to a chiral molecule using the Cahn Ingold Prelog nomenclature system. So the molecule presented to us here has an hydroxyl group present, a terbutyl group and an alkene. Now you'll notice that the hydrogen is pointing to the back. That really suits us for what we wish to do now. Also you'll notice that the alkene group is coming out at us, whereas the hydroxyl group and the terbutyl group are in plane of the page. So what we need to do here is rank the highest atomic number elements that are attached to the chiral carbon here. So this is based on ranking the elements in terms of the atomic number. So for example, in this situation, you can see that the hydroxyl group here is attached to carbon, and oxygen, of course, has a greater atomic number than either the carbons or the hydrogens attached. So we will give this an assignment of 1. I'll just label that here. Now we have to decide between the terms of priority between the terbutyl group and the alkene. Now, when you see an unsaturated carbon, what you do is you consider it in terms of it being attached to another carbon as well as the carbon that's already attached to. And in this case, you could say it's attached to 2 carbons. However, in this situation, this carbon here is attached to 3 other carbons. And so in this respect, this carbon, the terbutyl group, trumps the alkene. So we give this a priority of 2. And therefore, we can consider that since the chiral carbon is also attached to a hydrogen, then the alkene is given a priority of 3. And therefore, the hydrogen is 4. So what we can do now is draw an arrow from the group, or atom as such, of highest priority, that is priority 1, in this case is the hydroxyl group, to the group with the second highest priority, number 2, and then on to the third priority group. So we can draw a circle in this terms, going this way in a clockwise motion. And since this is going in a clockwise motion, this means it has a configuration of OR. Of course, if it was anti-clockwise, then we could give it a configuration of S. If you have any questions relating to this, please feel free to post them to the forum and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.